Thank you for purchasing a pop-up tent from American Tent. This video will show you how to set yours up. Spoiler alert, it's pretty easy. Before you expand the frame, pull the tent top over it. Be sure the peak of the tent top aligns with the peak of the frame. Working diagonally across from your partner, pull apart legs until the frame is fully extended. Push up on the center mast until the frame clicks into place. Make sure upper corner quick release pins click into place as well. Always lift the downwind side of your tent first. Use quick release pins to adjust to your desired height. Feed the Velcro through the slots to secure the tent top. If you have them, attach sidewalls starting at one corner and working your way around. Secure the sidewalls at the leg with the Velcro flaps. Congratulations! Your pop-up tent is complete. Give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. Thank you and enjoy your pop-up tent.